Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, kids, to the second episode of the Surah stories. In the last episode, we learned that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the year of the elephant. Why was it called the year of the elephant? Do you remember? Something remarkable happened that year. So let's learn it in this second episode. This story is about Abraha and his large army. During the year of the elephant, there was a king called Abraha who ruled a place called Yemen. He was very angry because many people from different places went to Mecca every year to visit the Kaaba. And when these people used to go to Mecca, they used to take all their businesses and trade there. Business and trade is something like buying and selling things for money. This made Abraha very jealous because he wanted the people to come to Yemen instead of going to Mecca. He wanted the people to buy and sell things with him. So to attract the people so that they would come to Yemen, he decided to build a big, splendid, magnificent church in Yemen. He was hoping that people would visit his church and stop visiting the Kaaba. Children, do you know what a church is? A church is a place where the Christian people go to worship Jesus. When he had finished building that church, the people did not come to this church. Instead, they still continued to visit the Kaaba in Mecca. This made Abraha even more angry and furious with the people. So he thought of an evil plan and he set out for Mecca with a large army to tear down and destroy the Kaaba. After Abraha got together the army, you know what he did? He placed a big, huge elephant right in front of the army. So he is going to lead the army all the way to Mecca. Kids, have you ever seen an elephant before? Have you seen it walking down your street outside your house? Well, of course not. Maybe you might have seen it at the zoo. And if you haven't, then you please ask your parents to take you to the zoo so you can see an elephant. You know, it's a really huge and magnificent kind of an animal. And guess what? The people of Mecca had never ever seen an elephant before. So the reason for him to put an elephant in front of the army was to scare the people. And also, Abraha's intention was so that people could see how powerful he is and how better he is. Now Abraha was on his way with his large army from Yemen all the way going to Mecca. When they were almost going to reach Mecca, the elephant stopped and it wouldn't move any further. Abraha's large army also stopped. At this point, a miracle happened. You know what's a miracle? Something amazing happened. And I'm pretty sure you kids want to know what that miracle was. So to find out, you need to join me in the third part of the stories from the Surah. Join me next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.